Hi everybody! In this lesson, we will discover together the lasso tool, the polygonal lasso tool, and the magnetic lasso tool available in Photoshop. First, let us create a new document having width equal to 1000 pixels and height equal to 1000 pixels with resolution 100 pixels. Choose the Paint Bucket tool and pick the color you want for the background in order to change the color as seen on the screen. Second, let us locate these tools on the toolbar. Look where those tools are located, below the Move tool. You can locate them by holding the mouse click for 1 second. The lasso tool gives you the option to make a free selection as you see on the screen. The polygonal lasso tool gives you the option to make the selection in the form of a polygon. Look how I am selecting this shape. The magnetic lasso tool also allows you to select a freeform. Look at the mouse, how it moves while sticking to the contour of the object. I mean, if you have an image with a unique color for the background, regardless of the color. Look how the selection is made easy with the magnetic lasso tool. Now it is your turn to open an image you have collected from the internet, and then practice the different form of selection with the tools used in this lesson. At the end of this lesson, try to create a project similar to the one you see on the screen. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and do not forget to follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram in order to access to additional educational resources.